Vaishno Devi helicopter ticket price 2025, everything you need to know. Embarking on the Vaishno Devi Yatra is an amazing spiritual journey that brings millions of devotees to the holy shrine each year. If you're planning to visit the shrine in the coming year, having clear idea and information about Vaishno Devi helicopter ticket price 2025. Understanding how to book helicopter tickets and knowing what to expect can make your pilgrimage smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the helicopter service for this sacred trip. Hush hush, all about Vaishno Devi helicopter services. Helicopter rides are a great way to make the journey to Vaishno Devi faster and easier. Instead of walking the entire trek, you can take a quick ride from Katra to Sanjichat, which is just a short walk from the temple. Not only does this save time and energy, but the ride also gives you breathtaking views of the mountains and valleys. Hush hush, how much does the Vaishno Devi helicopter cost per person? In 2024, the cost for a one-way ticket was about 2,100 rupee per person, and a round trip was approximately 4,200 rupee per person. Children under 2 years of age can ride for free. While prices for 2025 might stay the same, it's a good idea to check the Vaishno Devi helicopter booking agents that are authorized by the Ma Vaishno Devi Shrine Board for updates. Knowing the prices will help you budget your trip better. Hush hush, Vaishno Devi helicopter booking price for 2025. Helicopter tickets are in high demand, so booking them in advance is a must. You can book tickets through the official website of the Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board. The booking system usually opens months before, and tickets sell out quickly, especially during festivals like Navratri or school vacation times. Make sure you have a valid ID and follow all the instructions on the website to avoid any problems. Hush hush, ticket prices for Vaishno Devi helicopter ride in 2025. While the prices are expected to be similar to those in 2024, it's smart to double-check closer to your trip. Rates might change slightly because of updated policies or increased operational costs. Always rely on trusted sources like the Shrine Board website or authorized providers for the latest prices. Hush hush, how to book helicopter tickets for Vaishno Devi. Booking your ticket is easy. You can do it online by visiting the Shrine Board's official website. You'll need to pick your travel date, time slot, and enter your personal details. Once you pay, you'll get an e-ticket, which you must bring along with your ID to the helipad. If you're visiting during a busy time of year, book as early as possible to secure your slot and avoid disappointment. Hush hush, factors that might affect helicopter prices. Although standard prices are usually consistent, a few factors can affect the total cost. 1. Seasonal demand. During busy times like Navratri or long weekends, tickets sell out fast, and some private operators may adjust their pricing. Early planning can help you lock in the standard rates. 2. Special packages. Some providers offer combo packages that include helicopter rides, VIP darshan, and even accommodation. These deals might cost more but could save you effort and time. 3. Extended routes. In 2024, there was an option to book a helicopter from Jammu to Vaishno Devi, costing around 35,000 rupees for a round trip. If you're short on time, this might be a great option despite the higher price. Hush hush, tips for a hassle-free helicopter ride. 1. Book early. Tickets sell out quickly, especially during peak times, so book as soon as you can. 2. Arrive on time. Reach the helipad at least an hour before your departure to complete check-in and other formalities without rushing. 3. Pack light. Only small handbags are allowed on the helicopter, so plan your luggage accordingly. 4. Stay informed about weather. Helicopter services depend on weather conditions. Check the forecast and stay updated in case of delays or cancellations. 5. Health considerations. If you have health issues, consult your doctor before booking the helicopter. Sudden altitude changes might not suit everyone. Hush Hush FAQs about Vaishno Devi helicopter tickets. 1. What documents do I need? You'll need a government-issued ID like an Aadhaar card or passport when booking and boarding the helicopter. 2. Are refunds available for cancelled tickets? Refund policies vary. Generally, cancellations made well in advance are eligible for partial refunds. Check the Shrine Board's terms and conditions for details. 3. Can I reschedule my booking? Yes, rescheduling is possible but depends on availability and the provider's policies. Contact customer support for help. 4. What are the weight limits? Most operators have a weight limit of around 100 kilograms per passenger. If you exceed this, you might need to pay extra. 5. Can I book tickets offline? Yes, offline bookings can be made at the Katra helipad counter. However, availability is limited, so online booking is safer. Hush when to get the best deals on helicopter tickets. If you want to save money, avoid peak seasons and book during off-peak times, like midweek dates or non-holiday months. Keep an eye on the Shrine Board's website for any promotional offers or discounts. Hush important things to consider. Plan ahead. Peak season crowds can make last-minute bookings impossible. Start planning months in advance. Follow rules. Make sure you follow all safety guidelines and instructions given by the staff at the helipad. Stay flexible. Weather-related delays are common, so have a backup plan, like a pony or battery car ride. Hush final thoughts. The Vaishno Devi Yatra is a deeply meaningful experience for devotees, and using the helicopter service can make it even more special. By planning ahead, booking tickets early, and staying informed, you can enjoy a stress-free pilgrimage. Whether you're traveling for spiritual reasons or simply seeking peace, a well-organized trip will help you focus on what matters most, connecting with the divine blessings of Mata Vaishno Devi.